Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2005 Holden Commodore. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, power mirrors. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.